Welcome to the aifoxclip channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Odoo phone number dependency error. This step-by-step tutorial will help you easily resolve Odoo's phone number formatting issues. You might encounter phone number error when trying to install the Odoo website app for your custom website. Invalid operation message with missing dependency installation for phone numbers. Let's install phone numbers. Open the SSH and switch to the Odoo system user, then change Odoo directory to Odoo server. Active the virtual environment. Here Odoo server is custom directory when you have installed for the first time. Install the missing dependency inside the virtual environment, then deactivate and exit back to main user. Now restart the Odoo service. You can confirm installation in 2 comments. Now the problem has been resolved. Refresh the page and you will see an initial site. All instructions and commands are linked in the description below. If you like this types of interactive video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more aifoxclip magic.